Hi mga palangga! Welcome to my mini vlog! So the dent
Nauna may mga
Good morning! Mahal ninyo guys. Ang akong sudan kay leftover na mo kagabi. Walang giinit kay. Sayang mo po diba? Ugali na dyan nato na basta ganit na ay mabilin sudan sa gabi. Nitong pagkabuntag para aside sa tipid kay mas dali kay di na mo ka magluto. Init-init na lang. You do later if the doctor tell you to open your mouth? What will you do? When the dentist tell you to open your mouth? Like that. So the dentist can clean your teeth, right?
Clean anak ko.
Oh. Clean your teeth. Para mawala ang cavity. No?
Ma, dentist anak.
Oh, ana. Ana. Naog na. Bidali.
nauna may monkey. You are the monkey man.
You are the monkey. You are mama's monkey. Kai is mama's monkey. Thank you for your help.
My hand. Ow, ow.
What are you talking about?
Lip.
Wala mo nag-ikaon sa'yo.
Oh, look at this. Look. Hello, guys.
What will you tell them? Can you sing? Sing for them na. What will you sing?
Patron, patron, may anan na laban. Ana.
Sige pa. Lapal para mag-sing ka.
Patron, patron, may anan na laban. And this is the kwabo.
And some waffle sticks. This is a tray where everything's gonna go. Let's cut apart the measuring cup.
Ang tanawa.
What do we do first? First, let's add the red packet.